Yo, what's up guys, Dave here, and today we're going to be tightening the lug nuts on this 2021 Montana High Country 364 BH. So these are the stock tires. They're the Rainers, which everybody hates, at least on the Facebook forums, and they're referred to as China bombs. I'm going to be changing them at the end of the season, well, probably beginning of next season. This way I don't have to sit through the winter with brand new tires, but we're going to change these out for better tires. We're going to go with 14 ply sidewalls. Not sure which brand yet, but I'll let you guys know. So like I said, we're going to be tightening these lug nuts, and when we do that, we're going to be doing this in a pattern where there's 8 on here. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. So you just got to make sure you hit them all. Whichever one you start with, you got to go directly across, okay? And then you want to keep zigzagging. So whichever way you go, so if you start here, it's going to be 1, 2, and then it'll be 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so it doesn't really matter how you guys do it. You don't want to go just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't really want to do that. From the manufacturers, you know, that's their recommendation on how they tell you to do that. Real quick, you're going to need a torque wrench, an extension, and a 19mm socket. Alright, so once we push down, we hear that audible click. That's it. That's all we need to do. And we do this, or I do this, at the beginning of every trip. Alright, so here we go. So we'll put this on. Alright, ready? That's it. That's all you need to do. That's 1. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So those are all good. I think I mentioned these have to be at manufacturer specs between 110 and 120 foot-pounds of torque. I have this set at 120, but you don't want to go any higher than that, because you could stretch the lug nut, and when you start making turns backing up, you could actually snap these lug nuts off. I've personally never seen it happen, but I've seen the end result on some of these pages. So let's do this wheel real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one was a little loose. So was this one. 6. 8. And that one was a little loose. So there you guys go. Super quick. Again, 120 foot-pounds of torque, and that's all you need. Don't use an impact gun. You know, if I have to take these off quick, maybe I'll use an impact gun to take them off, but thread them on. You can put them on by hand and tighten them down with this 120 foot-pounds. Any questions, let me know. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll go do the other side later.